Hello, I'm Caroline Phipps, founder of Living with Inner Elegance. This is a crucial time for us to maintain our sanity as the stakes are high. For a long time, I've been researching what has led us to this moment and exploring solutions for living an inner elegant life. The chaos and endless political debates we're experiencing reveal something profound. We wake up each morning not knowing what the day will bring. This is a spiritual reckoning, a call to action. But there's something interesting with all of the present chaos. Despite being a frightening state, it is always a catalyst for change, and what that change will look like is in our hands. We have a great opportunity to embrace this moment, understand this time, and explore our strengths and resilience to create a just and more peaceful life for all of us and consequently our world. Join me for my Keeping Your Sanity workshop on Tuesday, May the 13th at the Wisdom House Retreat and Conference Centre in Litchfield, Connecticut.